Are you struggling to make a decent income from selling your prints? Print sale has become more competitive over the last few years, and in this video I'm giving you 5 reasons you should sell landscape photography information products instead. Hi, I'm Kim from Landscape to Art. And if this is your first time on this channel, make sure you click the subscribe button below. For most business startups, selling prints is obvious, and in particular for landscape photographers. But you can read any business related blog article or YouTube video from landscape photographers about this, and they will all tell you that it's very hard to make a living from selling landscape photography prints as the only option. And this is why so many landscape photographers teach workshops as the main income stream. But you can also teach online courses and coaching. Workshops and online courses is selling your unique skills and competence instead of your prints. And teaching online courses or online coaching is a possibility many photographers overseas. And information products like an online course has many advantages over a workshop. So let's jump right in and have a look at the most important advantages of selling online products or digital products. The first reason is the startup costs. The investments is very small starting up a digital business or selling digital products, and the overhead costs are very low because you already have your camera gear and probably a portfolio of images as well. And in addition, you need a few pieces of software. And of course, you have the most important, your unique skills, your personal skills that you have acquired over years. The software you need is very easy and simple. You need an email software, and you need a place or to host your online products, your videos and whatever you are selling. But if you look at a real workshop, it's a lot of work before you can actually host a workshop, and it involves a lot of cost of booking and accommodations and etc. So and it's a lot of more risk involved in doing a real live workshop because of all the investments you have to do. So just look at what happened the previous year with no one, when no one could travel actually at all last year. It hurts a lot for a lot of landscape photographers doing workshops. The second important reason is that it's currently a high demand for learning, and in particular online learning. People scream for information. They want to learn. They want to improve their skills. So acquiring new skills is important both for private and in job. And the skills you have or the skills you give is a competitive advantage. People have problems they want to solve, and they're willing actually to pay for you to help them solve these problems. And teaching someone a new skill is perceived as more value compared to a simple print. And this is why you can, of course, charge more for courses and workshops. And on top of this, you have the experience. A workshop is not only to learn photography, but it's an experience. It's a total package. Similar with a course, you can interact with the course creators and all the other members doing the same course. And the third and very important point is that internet is a huge market. So internet business and online business is huge, and of course it's not possible for everyone to travel to your workshops. But with digital products, actually the whole world is your market. Anyone can learn from you, no matter where in the world they are living, and they don't even have to travel to meet you. So it means that you can reach a lot more potential clients by doing online business. Another disadvantage with real workshop is, of course, that you have to travel all the time to photograph, and it might seem like a dream for a lot of people before you know what it actually is, because traveling is hard. Do you really think you can do international workshops and travel all year and year after year doing the same thing? It's exhausting, and I know because I've been traveling for my previous job for more than 20 years, and it's really tough with all this traveling all over the places. And if your business is depending on you traveling 3-4 weeks every month to sustain the business, can you really do it for a long time? And the logistics also for selling an online course is much easier in comparison to doing a real workshop. And there is no shipping costs no matter where in the world you are selling. So you can sell to anyone, and the costs are still the same. The fourth reason, and a very important one, is automation. Automation is one of the biggest advantages of digital products. Because with digital products, you are location independent. You can run your business from all over the world. And the biggest advantage is that you can automate the sales even. Digital products are easy to manage and to deliver. And you can actually sell 24/7 even if you take a few days off. But this requires that you have set up the right systems. When your business run in the background, you can actually travel and take photos whenever you like. You can take time off because you have an automated business running in the background. So this is the ultimate situation for landscape photographers. And the fifth point is scalability. Because running a business is all about making a profit. Even at least if you're going to live from your business. So you must be able to scale the business to where you want. The profit margin on prints are extremely low and at least for most types of print sales. So when you sell more prints, the cost increases at the same rate as the number of prints you sell. And if you sell prints via stock agencies, they take the same commission for each image no matter. And the same is the case if you sell framed prints via third party. And if you print your frames or you print and frame your photos yourself, the material cost is the same for each print. So there is no way to scale and make more profit. If you want to sell more prints, you have to work harder, work more, and buy more materials for the printing. And this is true for any physical products actually. When you look at pricing of workshops, they are very expensive and it looks like it's a good monetization way, good way to make money. But remember that just a small part of the price is actually your profit. You have to count in for the cost of your traveling and insurances and your accommodation. And also included in the workshop price is accommodations and travel for the participants. But with a digital product, however, you create the product once and you can sell it many times with no extra costs. With a digital product, you are left with almost all the profit from each sale you do. And because of this, it's easy to scale a digital product business much faster than you would do with any other kind of physical products. I often hear that landscape photographers that are considering doing business or making money from their photography say they are photographers and not teachers. So they just want to sell prints to be a real photographer or landscape photographer. And that's fine, but if you're into to run a business, you must make money. And you must let go of your proudness and do what is the best for your business. You have to get the business up and running first, and then you can later focus on print sales if that's still a priority for you. And no matter what business model you choose, there are 5 key elements you must get right. And watch this video next to learn about the 5 key elements you must get right to start a business. And until next time, ha det bra, goodbye.